Go to PC Chrome and search for voicemode.com. Then click on first website link. Now click on download for free. Now create an account to download. After downloading is completed, then double click on the application. Select the language. Click on OK. Then click on next. I accept. Click on next. Then click on next. Next. Then click on install. Now click on finish. Now click on get started. Click on close. Click on next. Now select correct microphone and speaker. Then click on next. Start using voice mode. Now from the left side, click on soundboards. If you want to add another, click on add. Now from the Roblox game, pause the game. Then go to settings. Change input device as voice mode to audio device.